my name is Melissa, and I want to welcome you to Sis's School. This week at Sis's School, our theme is the ocean. The ocean is so full of really fun things we can do with our small children at home. So this week, I'm going to show you a few different activities you can do in your home daycare or with children that you babysit or with your own children having to do with the theme ocean. Today, we are going to make a personal-sized ocean-themed water sensory bin. I hope you enjoy. So now we are going to make a small water sensory bin going with the ocean theme. So I have a shoebox size plastic container that I bought from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to pour in little stones to line the bottom. So I put some white and I'm going to put some blue. I also got these at the Dollar Tree. You can also go to the pet store and get, there's like some really fun colors at the pet store. But I went with all items from the Dollar Tree to show you that you don't have to go super expensive and your children can have tons of fun. So you can mix these, or you can try to make it look like the ocean is lapping over. So once you have your stones in, whatever way you want them, then you're going to pour some water in. I kind of spread it out so that way all right, I'm going to balance this out. Now I did not wash these, so you might want to rinse off the stones before you give this to your children. I didn't do that before I made the video because that did not cross my mind, but now that I'm seeing that the water's not very clear, you might want to rinse off the water before you put them into your bin. Then the next thing you're going to do is put in your little water animals. So I got these from the Dollar General because it's August and they don't really have these at the dollar store anymore. So this I got from the baby section at the Dollar General. And then I got these little grow creatures from the Dollar Tree. So, I mean, a lot of children have like the little tubes that have ocean animals that you can use. You can order from Amazon. You can go to Walmart or, really look around. But this is something that I put together from the Dollar Tree and Dollar General just to show you that you can make a fun little water sensory bin for your children. This is more of a personal sized. You can go bigger, you can go smaller. I've made these for children to share with the under the bed size. I've also made these with the little water and sand toy play area that you use outside. So you can go big or you can go small, just depending on your budget. So I spent $1, $2, $3, $4, about $7 to put this together. So again, if you have some of the toys at home, that's some money you're saving. Or if you don't want to use the little rocks, you don't have to. So it's totally up to you on how you do it, but this makes for some fun times for your little kids while you are learning about oceans.